Hi guys, I'm making prickly pear cactus, which I'll just put there because the lighting is horrible. I've just cut them up into half like that, and then I'll just put a little water to make the blender blend. Yeah, you can't see that, so yeah. Then I'll show you the juice, how it comes out, because obviously you can't make a smoothie with it without first making the juice, according to me, because it has hard seeds. So this is how I'm doing it, and then it's my first time. Let's just go on the ride together. Bye. Okay, I've blended it up and it looks like that. Not a lot, since you cannot see. So I'm going to sieve it and then we see what happens. It is so red, Jesus Christ. Okay, since the lighting here is not so good, you can see I'm trying to sieve it. Okay, now I decided to use a cheesecloth and the sieve because it wasn't working with just the sieve on its own, as you can see there. Yep, so it came out almost smoothie consistency, you know, where it's not so watery, not so watery, not so thick, so it's smoothie like consistency, but it's nice. Here it smells like malaria queen. It has that medicine kind of smell to it, but yeah. So just put a little bit of it there. As you can see, it has a beautiful color, very beautiful color. So I'm going to taste it. There you go. I'm not sure you tasting it, but the taste is not bitter and it's not sweet. It's just in between. So it's yeah, it's really interesting. It was really going to be at least on the more on the sweeter side, but it wasn't. Yeah, but that's it. Going to try and make a smoothie with it, with obviously something sweeter like a mango, and yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate it. You can click the subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.